They don't call it Birmingham. They call it Birmingham. Right. So, for Brummie, well, actually, I've got to disagree because my cousin on my dad's side is from Birmingham and he would say Birmingham. So, there's loads of different accents. You could drive like 20 minutes and it changes. So, I think that, Birmingham, I've not heard it like that, Birmingham. But, you probably will find somebody that says Birmingham, you know what I mean? So, if you've got a different Birmingham accent to my Birmingham accent, links in my bio for the accent bank. I'd love it if you'd share your accent with me. I just need to get a load of different people's accents. It takes 3 minutes of your life to record it. Just download the script and then you send me the accent on WeTransfer. Do you know what I mean? All right. Thank you so much. Love your comment. Take care.